Durable. Resistant. Heavy duty. AggreBind's suite of products are the smarter choice for your challenges with road construction and repair, handling dust control and erosion, and so much more. Do you have unsealed roads causing issues with dust, preventing transportation or nearby land use from reaching its maximum potential?
We've got farmers as close in as just a couple of k's out of Palmwoods. They can't farm particular blocks because of the dust.
AggreBind products were successfully trialed for this Australian city's unsealed roads problem. AggreBind products were the solution for New Zealand's heavily traveled Highway 27. AggreBind products also served as the solution for widening the national highway in Nepal, the main gateway to Kathmandu. Your eyes don't lie. How does AggreBind's suite of products solve these different and challenging road issues across the world?
Now we come to the world of latex acrylics and polymers. And in that world, think Dow, DuPont, BASF, there are somewhere between 1,500 and 2,000 different flavors of polymers. Our chemistry falls into a very narrow niche of chemistry in terms of reactions on a molecular level, and it's called cross-linking. We are the only long-string cross-linking styrene acrylic polymer. It could come with or without tracer, and that's for road applications. Now, what differentiates us is the cross-linking versus the dual plane adhesion, the AB adhesion. Most polymers are like tapes and glues. They just stick A to B, one to the other. What we do is we are a complex cross-linking polymer. We coat the particulates of the mass, and then through the processing of the material, the soil, the earth, the waste material, we force the coated particulates to touch each other. And right in here, on a molecular level, they grow long strings or fingers. Now, the best way to understand the difference between normal A to B binding and cross-linking is I'm going to ask you to do something with your hands. And I really want you to do it. Put your hands together like you're clapping. Pull your hands apart. Put your hands together like you're praying. Interlock or cross-link your fingers. Now pull your hands apart. You feel the difference. Now, what that does is through this cross-linking right in here, it creates a scenario where you begin to have multi-dimensional linking. Every place a coated particulate of the mass touches. Again, we coat the particulates of the mass and we force them into contact with other coated particulates. And this is where the cross-linking takes place and the building of the strength chain.
AggreBind. Our suite of products are the smarter choice for rock-solid solutions. AggreBind Incorporated is a member of the American Chemistry Council since 2014, A+ rated by the Better Business Bureau, and is patented technology.